Oh. Oh. Hey, look all normal. Alright. Hi. Welcome to Denzel's World. I did a live stream yesterday, a season 2 premiere of Make Mondays Interesting, and well, Instagram was having its issues and I could not save the video, so you're gonna see zero footage from that. But I gave myself the challenge, well, the life update that I gave on that episode was that I'm gonna try some new things, learn some new skills, and one of those new skills is learning how to play the guitar. So yeah, and I'm gonna self-teach myself. And it's like, how are you gonna self-teach yourself? Great question. I'm gonna use YouTube. Wait. Ah, yes. This one. This is a very special family guitar. My sister has been learning how to play on it. Now I'm going to learn how to play on it. She self-taught herself, so if she can do it, I most definitely can. So let's put that down for a moment. We'll put up a YouTube clip. Guitar. Ooh, ooh. Here we go. How to play guitar for dummies.
When several individual notes are played together, and of course with the guitar we mean several individual strings played together, they form a chord. And we're going to talk about major chords. Now, major chord has a sound that you might call a happy sound.
I'm happy.
Compared with a minor chord, which has what you might call a sad sound. Some of the easiest chords to play are called open chords. They're called that because they use some open strings. You don't have to finger every note that you're going to be playing in the chord. Some of them are just taken care of by the sound of an open string. Here's how you would play the 5 basic open chords. We'll start with the C chord, string by string. String 6, not used. String 5, fret 3, finger 3. String 4, fret 2, finger 2. String 3, open. String 2,
What?
fret 1, finger 1. String 1, open. And the chord sounds like this.
Oh, that's terrible.
Here's how you would play the D chord.
I don't think this is in tune.
String 3, fret.
Alright, I have to go back a few steps. Alright, I think this is C. Something doesn't sound right. Okay. Man, YouTube is not that helpful. Guitar chords. Let's search that. Okay, so let's try and remember C. C is this one. That doesn't sound like good music. A is... Oh, look, A looks hard. That should be A. So how do I transition from C to A? That's a great question. C. A. Oh, I've lost my fingers. Ah. A. Okay. And yeah, I don't know. This is not going to be easy, as I anticipated it will be. Well, I'm going to put this down. I'm going to continue picking this up. I'm going to turn the camera off, and well, let's just end the vlog this way. I think I'm putting too much pressure on myself to learn how to play guitar, trying to entertain you guys at the same time. But if there's any lesson I can teach you, or any bit of encouragement that I can share with you, partly the reason why I'm picking up the guitar, and I said it in my live stream yesterday, but because I don't have the footage to, I've been going through a lot, and I figured I think the best way to overcome the overwhelming thoughts in my head, and I think this applies to any and everyone, whether it's doubts or just, actually it's just doubts. Best way to overcome it is to try new things. And so that's what I'm going to be doing now. I'm going to pick up this guitar, I'm going to learn how to play it, and you will get to witness that journey here on the channel when I post videos about it. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and follow this journey of me picking up something new and trying it. It's not going to be the only thing I'm going to try new, but if I can give you any bit of advice for anyone struggling out there, try something new and exciting out of your comfort zone, because sure enough, it will take your mind off the doubts and focus more on a hobby, a new hobby. And then, hey, don't doubt that. I'm not going to doubt that I'm going to be able to master this one day. Just one day. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Have a great rest of the week. Alright, I should just end this video right now.